Alright, hi. So the first thing we're going to do is go over the equipment that we have. First, over here we have the printer. Alright. We have two CPUs. Alright, one is for the finished links, and you'll see it has finished links written on it, obviously. The other one is for Hi-Tech or RaceTap, whichever program you're using. We're going to be using Hi-Tech this year. You'll have two monitors, two keyboards, two mice, one set of speakers, that's so you can hear the ding to know that the starter has started. One of those little boxes to make the computers talk, and three of the Ethernet cords. Okay, so first we're going to put together our computers. So we have our monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, and for this one we are doing the speakers as well. Alright, so our keyboard, alright, it has a purple end. If you come over this way, in the back of the CPU we have a little purple connector right here. Just plug it right in. That's all you have to do. Okay? Same thing goes for your mouse. You have the green end, and it goes right in the back to this little green mount. Again, just, if it wants to go in, plug it right in. There you go. Okay. So, our monitor, alright, has a blue end, and there's a blue little receiver right here, and you plug it in and then twist it in, which I'm going to do just a little bit to display, but it takes a while because you have to really do it. Okay. Our speakers, alright, notice it has a green end right here, and there's three little plugs. It's in the middle one, matches the color green. The USB end goes right here in the back. That's it. You really have your computer set up. Next thing you have to do is your power supply. So, if I move this over slightly, you'll notice there's a hole right next to the computer. Take your cord, just put it right through, and we're going to plug it into our power cord strip that is at the bottom. Alright, this one right here goes to the CPU, the same thing. You go right through the hole, this plug goes right here, and you plug it into your power strip. And that's it, that's the computer setup. As you can see, we have both of the computers set up, and if you see underneath, just so you can see how the power cords are looking, this is how it is. This is for the other computer, hence why it's so up high, but we have our two CPU plugs and our two monitor plugs all in this one power strip. Okay, so now we have the Cisco. This is our Ethernet port. Alright, this is what makes the computers talk. How you set it up. Alright, so this is its power cord. You have to go through the bottom, up, because the cord is big. No, I'm going to find it. No. Do you need help? There it is. Yeah, got it. Alright. Haha, awkward. Alright, plugs in right here to the back. That's where we get a power supply. And then you plug it in down here. Well, we'll do that later. Anyways, okay, so Ethernet cords, okay? It doesn't matter where it goes. Alright, this is what the Ethernet cords look like, okay? So you just plug it in right here. We have three of them total. One anywhere, and then there's the black one, and that goes anywhere. Alright, the two shorter cords, alright, so a black one and one of the short blue ones. These get plugged into the CPUs. This goes in the back. So if you follow me, like so. Turn the CPU around. It's this one right here, the biggest plug in the back, and you just plug it right in. Okay, and you do the same for the other computer. The other long blue cord, this one actually goes all the way behind the monitors, alright, on this side, to the next room. And this gets plugged into the wall. Alright, and it plugs in right here. Alright, so this is for the printer. Alright, there's two plugs. There's this one that actually plugs from the printer into the computer. It's this little square back here, and if you turn the printer, the port is right here. Just plug it on, plug it in. Then you take the USB end, turn our CPU, and it's right here in the back. Any one of these back CPU plugs will work. So, plug it right in. Then you have the power cord. That's this one right here. Plug this into the back. Alright, right here in this port. And the other end goes through this hole right here and down to the plug.